Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another sunrise. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Yesterday, Tesla pumped 5% while the altcoins dropped massively, which is very good news for us. If you followed me and you watched my videos, we sold Bitcoin with 65K. I sold the alts, a lot of them 3 months ago. I was trading in, but mainly in cash positions, which has been amazing because alts and Bitcoin and everything dropped huge, massive drops everywhere, except Tesla up 5%, which we moved heavy and we moved from crypto into Tesla. Congratulations, everyone who follows my videos, tries to understand and learn what I've been doing for this more than 4 years, making these free daily videos every day. Congratulations, all of you, everyone who's become wealthy because of me and learned these lessons. Pass it on, teach others, teach other good people. Congratulations. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. Tesla was up 5%, and then the rest of the market, Uniswap, World down 10%, $3. We were buying World at $1.50. We sold it at $12, and now it's at $3. Uniswap $10.70. Uniswap dropping a bit, but still holding on quite well. But I've got a 50k position in Uniswap that pumped out. I should have sold it when it hit my target. It exactly hit my $11.80 target, but volume was increasing, so I held this position. However, triple top, that was a good time to sell actually at $11.89. It triple topped. Volume is increasing though, unlike the other cryptocurrencies. Volume is increasing. So I'm not so worried in trying to sell when volume is increasing. What I'm trying to get out of is things that volume is decreasing. But Stochastic very clearly overbought, turning down, triple top. I should have sold it. It can easily come back now and in this channel to $8.70. Shit. Stochastic turning down. This is on Uniswap. I'll go into Bitcoin in a second. Weekly, yeah, I've got to close out Uni. I bought 50k of it. And then it was like 53k. Now I lost 1k on the trade. It looks like now it's sitting at 48,900. Should have took profits at that target. Yeah, I got to close out because it looks like it will keep falling. It exactly hit my target at $11.89 and I didn't close it out. I was expecting that it keeps going because the volume increasing, but Bitcoin dropping off. Still looking okay, like cup and handle, but clearly the Stochastic is overbought, turning down. However, volume is increasing, but it is clear channel between $8.70. You've got this clear channel that it moves, and $11.89. Triple top on this channel, so you can see that it actually plays out consistently like this. $8.70, $12. I should have $11.90, $8. Of course, it's going to hit resistance at $12. Stochastic turning down, but volume is increasing, so it's not so bad. But really, it can come down to $8.70. But I do expect Uniswap can move big, so I'll keep it open. Or should I sell it and put more buy orders at $8.70? Better, yeah. Okay, but then I took a 1k hit on this trade because I bought 50k of Uni and now it's 49k. So I actually lost 1k, even though it went up yesterday a lot and I made gains on it. Okay, let's get leverage out a little bit. Let's leverage out a little bit. But it would have been smart to close that. Oh, it's orders finishing quick. It would have been smart to close it out when it hit that target, because when it hit that target, that $11.89, you could also see there was a few signs. One was this triple top, so it's a very high chance that it gets rejected there. Two is that it's actually been in this channel for a while. You can see here, it went first in May 22nd, then went to $12, May 26th, then again back to $9.30 June, then again $12 in June, then again $9, then again $10, then again $9. So I should have seen that as an obvious channel. However, long term, this is quite nice, Uniswap. But it does look like I can buy it again at $8.90, but there is support here now. Okay, I just sold some of it. Let's go into Bitcoin. Doesn't really matter. It's not going to change too much because I still think it's good. Volume is increasing. Thank God yesterday we had a bit of a volume spike on Bitcoin. That was very, very important. Without that volume, today we're having this volume spike. This is a rising wedge, and Bitcoin is playing out. I warned everyone about this drop. We had quite a big drop. It dropped yesterday to 65 and then had a clear double bottom with volume spike. The problem is not enough volume. If I zoom out on the weekly, volume still looks terrible. But today we're getting a volume spike. Big buy pressure came in and held it up. You can see the last few hours, a lot of buyers came in and clear double bottom. That was a double bottom. But someone tried to make it a double bottom. But Michael Saylor, someone bought a lot just now. Clear double bottom. But I don't think it was enough to hold it up, to be honest. I keep my trades. 63 is the main support. 59 is the major support. I keep my trades the same as I've had them for the last month. And over on Bybit, if you want to trade like you see me do, underneath this video, go down below. You can see the exchanges that I trade with. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus crypto master course. You can learn all this. And the Telegram group, you can join the other traders. And you can see my Bitcoin trades already set for a while. Doge at 10 cents, Bitcoin at 63, Bitcoin at 58, 5 Bitcoin at 63, 10 Bitcoin at 58. In here, I've got 68.3 in cash, 25 in cash. So it's 80 something. 90 in around 80, 90 in cash, and 355 in cash. So I'm around 400, 355 plus 100, 455. So 455 out of 593 in cash in USDT. MCRT 84K down 1.3%. Uniswap 34K. I reduced some of those positions down 7%. It would have been good to sell it. I should have taken profit on my target. That was a mistake because it went from 50K to 54K and now back to 48K. So I lost that 6K gain that I made, unfortunately. But I want to sell more because I do think we can drop back to my $8.90 target. Okay, I sell it in 5K chunks. Why? Because if I make a big order and it just smashes the price, then my sells are... Okay, so now I put sell orders, right? So now it's going to reduce my Uniswap to... I'll reduce to 19K. And now what I want to do is I want to put buy orders at $9. $8. What did we say was the support? On Uni, it's $8. $8.80, but I don't think it comes down that low. If this is a big support here, worst case I think it can come down to $9.60. So it's not so much, you know. Oh no, easy can come if Bitcoin nukes, some drop on Bitcoin, then easy $8.70. Okay, but strong support there, easy $8.70. It's very close. So okay, $8.70. Let's buy $50,000 worth of Uni. Boom. So $50,000 worth of Uni at $8.70. I'm selling some Uni now, closing out these positions, which the lesson I learned is when I have my take profit target on Volt, when I'm worried that Bitcoin is going to drop, I need to take profit on that altcoin. Even though Uni is still primed to pump though, it is very possible it breaks out. Pocket, I've got buy orders at 4 cents, World $2.10, Doge. I'm going to start nibbling here. I'm going to start nibbling on positions because everything dropped quite a bit. So now I want to... Like World is got just destroyed since I sold it. Look at this. World was at when I sold $5, we bought it at $1.50. Then I sold it at $12. Actually, if you remember, I got out of everything. I told everyone, warning, get out in March. I literally called the top again. Look, March. Let's see on my Twitter. You can see here on my Twitter, 85,300 followers. And again, I'm still fluctuating. Look at this. Yesterday, I went between. You can see here, 85,400 followers 2 days ago. 13 hours ago, 84,900. 1 day ago, 13 hours later, 85,400. Now back to 84,900. You see, it keeps fluctuating. And now I'm back to some shadow band. Now I'm back to 85,300. Some weird shadow band. But I wanted to show you, this is when I said, warning, get out of everything. I told everyone, Bitcoin and Doge, warning, I sold. This was March 17th. 17th of March. And look at this. 17th of March, World was here at $9.80, now $3. We bought it back at $1.50. March 17th, look at this. Uniswap was at $13. Pocket was at March 17th. I still had my Pocket. Remember when it did that pump and I sold it somewhere here? but it was at 22 cents. Now it's at 8 cents. Doge, March 17th, when I sold it, March 17th, here at 17 cents. And then I bought Doge down here and we sold something up here. We made like good trades on this, if you guys followed my videos around then. So let's now, I want to try and get World. Yeah, it's like free falling. It dropped today all the way down to $2.80, almost at my first buy target. There is big support there. It will bounce. I have to admit, it will bounce at, definitely will bounce at $2.60. So let's like nibble at some stuff. So Pocket at $2.60, World at $2.60. I got at $2.10 big buys, and let's do at $2.60. Let's also do $20,000. That's set. So I'm going to nibble some at $2.60. Add alerts. And at $2 I've got bigger buys. Uniswap, I set those buys. Pocket, where do I want to buy? I want to buy at 4 cents, my target, unfortunately. We've got a big support here though, so it's going to get a bounce. It's going to get a strong bounce at 0.074. Wait, did it come down there yesterday? No, it came down to, we are right now at a low, but I don't think it's going to be very big. Actually, big bounce would be here, 0.065. And where do I have buys? I've got at Pocket at 0.04. Let's also put at 0.065, little nibble. 0.065, I'll buy 5,000. Not much, because I easily think it can 0.065. We're going to buy $5,000, and I'm going to buy much more at 0.04, and that's what I think is better. Wait till it comes down a little bit. Now let's check out Doge. Doge, I want to start nibbling. Doge almost came down to my buy targets. Yesterday it came very, very close. You can see that the major support is at 10 cents. You can see we have major support at 10 cents. We also have a very strong support here, where it came down very close yesterday. Actually, not very close. Yesterday we came down to all the way down to 12.5. Luckily we got out here when it looked like it was going to break out of this descending triangle, but then it didn't break out and it got rejected. If you remember, it got rejected here, and then I closed. Lucky we closed, because I had 100k worth of it. It dropped. That doesn't look like much, but even just from there, since that I'd said to close 26%, and since I said to close from the peaks, we're talking 44% on most alts. It's already down 44 to 70%. So lucky we got out. But major support clearly sees at 12 cents. Big bounce can happen here. 12.2. So I've got buys for Doge at 11. Let's make a buy for Doge at 12. Doge at 12.2. Oh, it's close. Shit, and I've got it at 11 cents. So keep it, because easy Bitcoin can drop down and trigger a lot of stuff. Again, all these links are down below, and go down below. 1, 2, 3. The exchanges we use, the courses, take them all, or you're gambling. The Telegram, join them all and start chatting. There's hundreds of you over there. And everyone, if you can do me a huge favor, go onto my X and go onto this post. I've given Tesla, by the way. I was telling everyone, look at this. Adding more to Tesla here at $142. Adding more to Tesla here. Next support down 101. Adding more to Tesla here. I give so much free alpha. Tesla yesterday pumped. Since I posted that, Tesla is up yesterday alone 5%, which is beautiful. But since I posted, I exactly caught the bottom, everyone. Look at this. I bought it here, 142, almost exactly catching the bottom on my massive trend line structure, big symmetrical triangle. And I hope you pay attention, everyone, because if you see this symmetrical triangle that's playing out on Tesla, builds pressure, the base of the triangle. So be very prepared that Tesla is about to go to $578. I hope you got in. I literally got it at the bottom here at 142. I posted that, and since we bought it, 142. Since we bought it, it's now up 33%, and I bought massive amounts, and I told you could buy billions of dollars if you want. Love you all. Congratulations. I'm the best. You're the best. Our community is the best. Learn from me. If you haven't seen what I've done now after 4 years of this every day, calling the top November 11, 2021, calling the bottom 22, 23, we were buying up Bitcoin at 15, 16K, Ethereum $700, Uniswap at I think $5 or less. Doge, we were buying it at 4 or 5 cents. Congratulations to all of you. Tesla, we caught the bottom at 141. We moved in heavy from crypto, the peak, to Tesla at the bottom. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Spread the word, guys. Share everything on Twitter. Every comment on every post. Say how much money you've made from learning from me. Say what you learned from me. Because the more people are commenting, the more people are sharing and spreading this information, the more people that can learn instead of getting wrecked following other people that aren't master traders like me. Love you all. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.